Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, we're currently converting our Renault Master into a camper van. This weekend we was planning to go to climb Ben Nevis, but then plans have changed because the weather's looking really bad. So we're going to reschedule it and build out this van as much as we can before we leave.
Our first job is to lay the flooring in the van. To help me is my mate Kaydon. You might remember him from previous videos. Like any typical tradesman, Kaydon turned up and immediately started critiquing other people's work.
To be honest, Phil, I'm disappointed in you. I thought you'd be able to get it much smoother than this as a bricklayer. She's atrocious. I could have done better than this with a teaspoon. Did you do it with a butter knife?
Yeah. This bit's quite smooth, isn't it?
Smooth? What are these ridges?
Oh, that's just because of the... If you'd like more information about the type of flooring we're using, check the description below. Look at that, mate. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Oh, that's so satisfying, that.
On to the next job. While we haven't fixed the swivel seat issue, we did manage to finish the project we started last week. This shelf up here has a big plastic thing that takes up so much space. So I'm going to try and attempt to take all of this out. Then we can put some structural beams down and some plywood. I just made a template for the shelf. We have the cutout. Because of the sticky outy bits, we're gonna cut it in half so they can slot in, and we're gonna screw all around it. Fingers crossed. I've just sanded them both. They both fit perfectly, and now I'm gonna add like this DC fix stuff. Chuck it on this so it looks like one solid white shelf. Finished, although the back's not looking too pretty. And you've got the nice big pockets in the side. Didn't have them before. Right, let's get it all back in. I don't actually really know if I remember putting all this back together. Right, some roof lining. Then my little project is done!
Gymnastic. I make the pussy dead.
What?
Or the female people out there. Control yourself.
The red box for this, when you're taking them off, can you start putting them back? Because I opened the box and there was about 5 of them, all just loose in there.
I can't push them back in.
Try.
I do.
You don't, because...
Well, I've not even done it in mine because I can't push them back in.
Always put them back, even if you're just switching over.
I'm going to Tesco now because you want.
For the will to live.